Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com up there. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make $30 per hour in PayPal cash by just testing websites and apps. Could be a very fun way for you guys to earn, and it's going to be fast, okay? So let's get started right now. Alright guys, since you are on my YouTube channel, I just want to point out this link up here on my channel art. This is what I do online and how I make a full-time online income with this program. And also if you want to check out why or how it all works out, you check out that video, okay? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to earn up to $30 per hour just by testing websites and apps. And one of these sites is at usertesting.com. So how are you going to be earning like this? So what happens is that there are a lot of development out there, right? There's a lot of development for websites, a lot of development for new apps. So there's a lot of new products that are in the works all the time. And so there are companies like this where those entrepreneurs go to these types of companies to get their new products tested by people like you and me. So this could be a great opportunity for you to do this from home, okay? So on this front page right here, this is information for the brands and company that want their new site or app tested, okay? So if you want to get paid to test, you're going to click this link up here, get paid to test. So once you click that, you'll get to this page, okay? So earn up to $60 per test. So all you gotta do is visit a website or an app. You're gonna complete a set of tasks and speaking your thoughts out loud. And then you're gonna get paid. It's very simple. So they have let's say somebody has a new website or a new store, okay? Let's say they have a new store and maybe you need to complete a task like, adding a product into the shopping cart or trying to, maybe you gotta look for a certain product. Is it easy to find? And then as you're doing these tasks, you need to just kind of speak out loud your thoughts about the website. Like tell them how if it's easy to navigate, is it easy to find things? What do you think about the colors and stuff like that? So as you're doing these tasks, you're going to speak your thoughts, and that's what they want to know. They want to know your experience with this new website or new app. So anything that you can give them that will really help them improve the website or app, that's how I think you're going to get more payment if you give them good information, okay? Down here is saying get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. So that means that $10 per 20 minutes, so that kind of adds up to $30 per hour if you do 3 of these a day. But they're saying that some of them could even go up to $60 a test, so it's not all $10. But I guess majority would be $10 per 20 minutes, which is still pretty good and pretty fun to kind of test new sites and apps. And this is in New York Times, okay? 4 free apps that can earn you extra cash. With user testing, you get paid to offer feedback on a website. The pay is $10 per test, and it involves visiting a website, completing some tasks, and then recording your feedback about the user experience. The tasks take about 10 to 20 minutes to complete. So if you could do it in 10 minutes, that's even better. Then you're earning $1 a minute. Okay, so what do you need to get started? You're going to need a Mac or PC, an internet connection, and a microphone. You need an iPhone, iPad, Android phone, or Android tablet if you like to make mobile tests. Ability to download our testing software. You must be at least 18 years old and ability to speak aloud in English. How much money can I make? It's a great way to earn some extra dollars on the side. It won't make you rich, and the number of opportunities you will receive depends on the number of factors such as your demographics and quality of your rating. How do I get paid? You must have a PayPal account and live in a country that can receive PayPal money. So this is basically worldwide, and if you have access to PayPal. I know a lot of countries have access to PayPal, so if you have access to PayPal, you can do this, okay? You will receive your payment exactly 7 days after completing a test. So that is very good. We are accepting testers from the following countries. Africa, Middle East, and India. Look at all these countries. Asian Pacific, Look at all these countries. Europe, I mean, it's pretty much worldwide, guys, okay? So, and then the sign up is going to be very easy. You're just going to enter your email address on this page and complete a sample test. Once you're approved, start taking real tests and earn money. I mean, that's very easy, right, guys? So you can start here, put it in your email address, click here, and then sign up, okay? So I'm going to show you two other sites that you can do this at, because you want to maximize your earnings, because they're saying that you may not, you obviously won't get rich from this, but you may not get as many tests as you like. So combining these three sites, you may get some good money going if you kind of sign up with all of them. So this one is called Testing Time at testingtime.com. This is going to be very similar, so I'm going to go a little faster with this site, okay? But you're going to be doing kind of like the same thing. Of course, this front page is going to be brands and companies who wants to get their new sites and apps tested, okay? So this information here is not for you. What you need to do is going to go up to the top here to the right. Again, you're going to click this button that says Become a Test User, and you're going to go there. And then you're going to get the right information for you, okay? Change your world, one short test at a time. So even during this period of time when we have COVID-19 going on, they still have studies that you can do from home, okay? This site is obviously in Europe because it is being paid by euros here, $50 per euro. And as of this recording, you can see that 50 euros is about 55 US dollars. So you can earn even more for this website. Impact products of tomorrow with your opinion. You are one of the first people to test future products and have the opportunity to improve them. Take a break and try something new. So again, this is very simple. You're going to put in your first name, your email, and then you're going to click I want to be a tester. So how it works. So you're going to sign up with Testing Time. Tell us a bit about who you are, and then you can find tests that you want to take. It will take less than 3 minutes. Naturally, your profile will be used for matching purposes only. If your profile fits a test project, you'll get an email invitation. Then simply answer the question and pick times for the test that fit your schedule. Opportunities to participate will be awarded on a first-come, first-served basis. Then at the agreed date and time, you will participate in a guided usability test, either with a client in person or via Skype. Once completed, you will get paid within 10 days. What's in it for you? Well, you're going to earn money, right? It can be done from home via Skype or in person. So like I said, right now, they're not doing in person because of COVID-19, of course, and which is great that you can do this from home. So make sure you can have a Skype account, and you can earn 50 euros per hour doing this. You're going to help shape future products, and you're going to do something fun and different to earn money, okay? So a typical test would take a little longer for this website, but you do get to be paid a little bit more. So this is going to be worth your time. So a typical study takes around 30 to 90 minutes. And how are you going to get paid with Testing Time? You're going to get paid by using PayPal or bank account of your choice. So as long as they can pay to either, if you have access to PayPal, so you could be from anywhere, or if it's a bank account that they can have access to transfer to you, okay? So the next site I want to show you is called usabilityhub.com. All right, and again, you want to click this button right here to become a tester. So let's go there, and when you click that, you'll get to this site, which is called User Crowd. Earn money giving design feedback. So you could click this to sign up. And so again, this is going to be quick and easy to do. You don't need to be an expert to participate. In fact, most test creators prefer ordinary people over professional designers and developers. So you're going to earn credits with every response, get paid for each response you provide. Once you've accumulated at least 100 credits, you can request a payout, and they pay through PayPal as well. So they do it a little bit different here. So 20 cents per credit. So User Crowd pays 20 cents USD per credit earned. Most tests pay 1 to 2 credits per response, and some pay more. It says most tests pays 1 to 2 credits per response, but that doesn't mean that the one test have only one response, right? You may have several response in one test, okay? So payouts with PayPal, you can request a payout when your balance reaches $10, which is pretty low. You would then need a PayPal account to be eligible to receive funds. We use email and real-time notifications to inform you when tests are available, so you have the best chance of participating. All right, so those are the 3 types of sites I want to show you today. And of course, if you use all 3 sites, it's going to make you better money that way. And of course, if you want to make a lot more money and money that is passively earned online, then you really want to check out the second link in my video description so you can learn an online skill that will help you create an online asset on the internet that can earn you 24/7. And that's something that I do online, and that's how I make my money online, okay? So I hope you follow my path, because if you do, I will be helping you along the way. All right, so I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye!